It's the first camp of the season, so we're at Canadian Tire because obviously some of our gear is not properly working.
25 bucks?
Yeah. Is it worth 25 bucks?
Oh, we had that other chair. The white one.
No, but we only have 3. There's 4 of us.
No, there's 2 chairs. You have the white one, and I have another one. I have a special chair.
Oh, you do? What is
I have
that?
a secret chair.
Oh, that one that you...
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, sweet.
So we're good.
Yes.
We're good.
Wow.
Right over there. See how sunny it is? What
I
is...
feel like we can find a spot by the river.
Okay, so do you want to just go see, like go up further and see if there's...
Let's just get a little more ballsy and start going down these roads.
So, and if we don't find anything, we could go back to that one.
Yeah, this is a great spot.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
so that's plan B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bear! I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Down and just go and have a little splash.
Wait! Oh my gosh!
What a beautiful sight.
It's like I watched the episode of like House Hunters. It's like, what house will they pick? Right? Yeah.
Which spot will they settle in?
Hot.
It is hot.
Nice spot. And there's a chance that we could get kicked out when we set up. A very small chance, I think, but it could happen.
I think that's
We could
a risk.
also burn to a crisp.
Yeah, we might die.
We're just trying to find the perfect campsite. And we're weighing out our options. We have 2 options on the line right now. We're gunning for lucky number 3.
Hoping there's not multiple bids and that the real estate agent doesn't really screw us.
I think we found the perfect spot.
Oh my, what?
Come on, wait. Actually, I think it's everything that we've been asking for. Whoa. There's even like a tarp line set up.
What?
Like it's just a little string, I think, for people who will see.
Okay.
Hopefully you guys can't see. There's even a fire pit. What?
Really?
Yes, and it's right by the river. Like we can. Don't scream yourself. And there's some shade if you need to find shade.
This could be it!
Yeah, I think.
This could be We can put our chairs in the river and sit with our feet in it.
Oh man, riverfront property.
You know what we could
It
do is
feels
even
like
just like walk through it and see. Yeah. No, I think this is sweet. Yeah.
This is it. I'm sold. I love it, yeah.
That's how it goes, hey?
This is how I blew up our air mattress. This is what I have to do every time we're camping.
Mate, if the 2 of us, who else could do it? I mean, I can't fit.
Yeah, it's true.
I can't fit it. Even if
Now I know
tried.
the story why Leon's like, do we have to do this?
Right?
Now it's time.
I'm not being dramatic. It's pretty bad.
I'm not being unreasonable.
Too many cooks in the kitchen. He's going for the cooler. So what's really important right now is the sun is set and there's this glorious golden hour period where you're running around enjoying not direct sunlight and everything like that. But what you must remember is that light is fleeting and you have to gather your belongings because finding them when it's dark is absolutely the worst.
Welcome, this is the episode of Cribs. What couple has the coolest crib tent? Alright, that's the side. You open it up, you see they have this nice mat here so that when they take their shoes off, you just place them on here. You can chill. If they want to come out, see what's going on, they don't have to get their feet sandy. On into the crib. We got it. It doesn't look really nice. However, the mattresses, you can blow them up with your own mouth. You don't need any machines for that. We got some nice sleeping bags. No pillows because they're hardcore campers. little pouch, the lantern, which is solar powered. At nighttime, you might want to play some cards. Just put this little baby on. So that's the first crib. Okay, so we just saw the storm shield, and now we're gonna be checking out the outbound. Let's see. Oh, all right, outbound. Oh.
Whoa, this is a king and queen's
This
palace.
looks like I went back to a nice apartment. Oh, it's plush.
I can smell the laundry.
Oh, you know, if you went to some kind of resort out by this river, well, you pay more money for this one.
That's for sure.
Yeah, you got the nice mattress.
Oh,
You
matching
need a
headlamps.
Matching headlamps. You need a machine to pump this baby up.
Matching-
The comfort might be worth it. Pillows? The other one didn't have pillows. They'll have to make it out of their clothes. Which tent would you prefer when you're out for your camping experience? What are you guys about? Right, there's another crib we didn't even know about. The Sasquatch crib. You can kind of tell they're having a crib here. They got their toilet paper. They have a nice little wipe. They have a nice sheaf of branches. Right in here, you can tell the Sasquatch has been here and he's been staying here.
We're so close.
So close. Oh, and how do you feel?
Like the work really just began for getting wood. Like when you're here, I'm like, dude, you just have these like glamping tents set up that like you just have like a bag in hand, like getaway for the weekend with like your girlfriend or something, but you don't have to get all the camping stuff, the preparing, the, you know, you're just wanting to get out, and you just come out and you just, there's a few of them there or like somewhere in, and it blends in nicely, you know.
Absolutely.
Like you don't like take it, because this is all you want, dude. No, you said that the bug spray's in
It's right here. This one.
Oh, perfect, cool, perfect. I don't know which one.
Always green. Bug spray on your face. Close your eyes
Ari, no.
and don't breathe.
No! Ari! Why would you do that?
And now it's fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Fine? No! You're gonna get pimples and zits.
No.
The committee does not
they
seem
would've killed me if
convinced.
y'all owned it. Okay, I got the weird squiggly thing out. Oh. Woo! Oh my god.
Garbage. Garbage is very important.
I don't know why I had a moment of like Matt just like telling us a story.
I was telling you like,
And his back being turned to the woods, and we were like just watching him. I just like played this weird thing out where I was like, what if something came up?
I feel like we probably started laughing, you know, and are you being the sensible one? You go grab for, I'm like,
Mate, it's a great suggestion, right? The high level point is there's two ways you can build a fire. You can build it to start big and then burn down, or you can build one small one and then build a bigger one. It's two different things.
And if you need food quick, build it small, then go big.
Yeah, there you go. Exactly, because you're looking for the right amount of coals. At its freshest.
welcome.
Calm Industries.
Come in.
What's a good tip is you have these kind of flipping sort of grills on top here for kebabs, because they're much easier to work when you've got like a crowd, but it's always nice to roll around with the drumsticks with the tongs and play. So, you know, ease, you don't want to make any more work for yourself.
All right, we're going to sleep right away.
Yeah.
Crib 1 versus crib 2. Crib 1, our mattresses, they're really hard. Blew them up a little bit with their own mouths. But you can hear that noise over there. And that's them having to blow up that big mattress again. It is completely deflated. And it's huge, and they're having a hard time.
Morning. Good morning. Beautiful day here. One couple is up earlier than the other. Let's find out how everyone slept. Hey,
Oh no.
morning.
Oh man.
Oh, fuck.
What was that? Oh.
So, how was your sleep?
I slept well.
Look at her, she looks like a bloody polar bear or something.
It was cold.
Yeah, oh, yeah? You're wearing your coat.
Yeah, it was really cold.
Hmm. Gotta make sure the fire is fully out before you leave your campsite. Don't want to start any forest fires.
All right, and that is the end of couples camping. Driving back to Vancouver. Ari, do you have anything to add?
Well, sometimes you have too many cooks in the kitchen. But this weekend, too many cooks was just fine.
It was great.